Good morning, student. Student, exercise 16.1, continue. Question number 13. Student, question is, the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are written separately on 4 slips of paper. The slips are put in a box and mixed thoroughly. One person draw 2 slips from the box, one after the other, without replacement. Describe the sample space for the experiment. So it is very simple question. The possible sample space is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, then 4, 1, 4, 2, and 4, 3. Student, there will not be 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3, 4, 4 because we are taking a slip one by one. Now, student, next is, an experiment consists of rolling a die, then tossing a coin once. If the number on the die is even, if the number on the die is odd, the coin is tossed. Write the sample space for the experiment. So, students, see the solution. An experiment consists of rolling a die. So there is a die, it having 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then tossing a coin once if the number on the die is even. So there is a coin and number is even. If the number on the die is odd, the coin is tossed twice. So here, person tossed 2 coins. When there is a odd number, then 2 coins are tossed. So there is head, tail, is head, tail, so this is the case. Now we will write the sample space for the experiment. So S equal to, when there is 1, there is a possibility HH, HT, TH and TT. Then when there is a 2, only 2H and 2T. For 3, there are 4 cases, 3HH, 3HT, 3TH and 3TT. Then 4H and 4T. Then 5HH, 5HT, 5TH, 5TT. When there is 6, the 6H and 6T. So there are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total are 18 cases. There are 18 possible outcomes. Now student, next is question number 15. Here question is, a coin is tossed. If it shows a tail, we draw a ball from the box which contains 2 red and 3 black balls. If it shows head, we throw a die. Find the sample space for this experiment. So simple thing, student, there is a coin. 2 cases, head and tail. When there is a tail, there is a box that having 2 red and 3 black balls. When there is a head, a die is thrown. So student, sample space is H1, H2, H3, T, H4, H5, H6. Then TR1, TR2, TB1, TB2, TB3. Because there are 3 black balls and 2 red balls. And when we toss a coin and head is coming, then we throw a die. And when tail is coming, we are taking a ball from the box, and box is containing 2 red and 3 black balls. So this is the sample space, and here n is number of outcomes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total possible outcomes are 11. Student, next is question number 16. Question is, a die is thrown repeatedly until a 6 comes up. Write what is the sample space for this experiment. So, student, we will throw a die until 6 comes up. So there are so many cases, there is a chance when 6 is coming at the first time. When 6 is not coming first time, it is coming second time, that is 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6. Then if it is not coming second time, it is coming third time, there is so many cases, 1 1 6, 1 2 6, 1 3 6, 1 4 6, 1 5 6. Then there are more chance, 2 1 6, 2 3, 2 2 6, then 2 3 6, 2 4 6, 2 5 6, 2 then 3 1 6, 3 2 6, 3 4 6, 3 3 6, then 3 4 6, 3 5 6, and so on. Student, there are infinite many cases, because when it is coming 4 chances, there is 1 1 1, then 6, right? When it is coming in the 5th chance, so again there is a possibility 1 is coming 4 times, then 6 is coming. So this way there are infinite many cases, and we can say here n is equal to infinity, because we will throw a die until 6 comes. Student, now new concept is event. Student, event is a subset of the sample space. It is subset of S. Student, as you know, event is the random experiment. So there may be some element, and these are the element are the part of sample space. If we toss a coin, then in the single toss sample space is head comma tail. Then coming head is event E1. E1 is either H and E2 is coming tail. Then question is total number of possible outcomes or total number of event is there. So there is a formula, number of events equal to 2 power n. So there is a 2 power 2 which is 4. So but there is a k not possible here. Either when we tossing a coin, head is not coming, tail is not coming, there is a 5 and both are coming, head and tail. So these cases are not to be considered here, right? So for this proper outcomes or event, there are only two, right? When head is coming or tail is coming on tossing a single coin.